Hey guys, it's Lewis from the Bodyweight Bible, and I bring you today the complete how-to muscle-up guide. Whether you're a complete beginner or you're an intermediate athlete, I'm here to help you.
The muscle-up. Some regard it as a party trick to show off, whereas others regard it as the true benchmark of functional strength. Muscle-ups target a large number of muscle groupings in the back, shoulders, arms and core. Pulling power comes from the biceps and the latissimus dorsi muscles. Also, the entire core is engaged throughout this movement in order to stabilize the transition. Once over the bar, the triceps and the pectoralis major and minor provide the bulk of the power for the final dip-in motion. So, are muscle-ups just a show-off trick, or are they actually useful in real life? Well, imagine you were evading the police GTA style. If you knew how to muscle up, you would shake them off in no time.
Are you ready to learn your dream calisthenics exercise move? Follow me.
Let's dive into the crucial requirements for mastering the muscle up. Before you embark on this journey, it's essential that you have a solid foundation of strength. Realistically, you should be able to complete a set of 10 clean chin over the bar pull-ups before attempting to train for the muscle up. This not only ensures you have the necessary upper body strength, but it also helps prevent injury during your muscle up training journey.
Once you've conquered the pull-ups, you're well on your way to start learning to master the muscle up. But before that, you need to move on to the next requirements. Let's go.
Alright, on to the next requirement, which is just as crucial as your pull-up game. You need to be able to perform 15 bodyweight dips, and when I say dips, I mean correct form, clean dips, with a full range of motion lowering down to a 90-degree angle. Remember, this isn't like using a cheat code in GTA, we're after quality here, not shortcuts. We don't want to see those embarrassing ego, poor quality, gym bro half reps. Don't cheat yourself.
Okay, throughout the video today, whenever I grab the bar, I'm going to be utilising an over grip, okay? So here we have a standard grip. Here, we have an over grip. So the thumbs both under the bar, and we're going to move our hands forward like this to get maximum grip strength. We're going to break down the muscle-ups into 3 parts. This is the part 1, the pull-up. It's not like a conventional pull-up. We are not pulling directly up. Instead, we are curving around the bar. I'm going to break down the first part. First, we're going to jump towards the bar, okay? We're going to jump towards the bar, catch the bar, and we're going to create a natural swing. And we're going to aim our feet a little bit in front of us. If you want, you can choose a spot on the ground and you can focus on this spot to aim and to target your feet towards. We're going to do it like this. Okay, I'm going to do that one more time for you. Step 2, we're going to do the transition. So as we grab the bar and our body swings forward, we're going to take advantage of the natural momentum created. When our body starts to swing back, we are going to take our knees and we're going to drag them to our chest like this. I jump, I catch the bar, I aim forward. In the second I feel my body naturally come back, I'm going to pull using my back muscles and both of my knees. I'm going to lift to my chest. Okay guys, when I lift my knees to my chest, this is going to give me an extra boost. I need to pull and take advantage of lifting my knees up, and this is going to help me push over the bar. Moving on to step 3, we're going to finish with a straight bar dip. So we're going to combine step 1, the pull up, step 2, the transition where we lift our knees very fast to our chest and pull, and once we pull, we end up on top of the bar and we simply do a straight bar dip. So I'm going to combine all 3 parts and show you what it looks like. Okay, just before we continue with the video, I'm going to give you guys a secret weapon for your arsenal. This exercise is going to be called Russian dips, and it's going to be amazing to incorporate into your training. It's going to give you a much deeper understanding of the transition from pushing to pulling, and it's going to help you with your muscle ups. I'm going to leave a link in the description below, or if you want, you can click here on the video, and I have another tutorial especially for Russian dips. Okay, on with the video. If we're not quite strong enough to do the transition, this is going to make it easier for us. So we put it on the bar like so. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to step inside it with our feet, and we're going to follow the same steps. So the pull up, we do the jump towards the bar, we wait and we take advantage of the natural momentum on the way back, and we can lift our knees to our chest, and with the extra help of the elastic, it's going to ensure that we definitely make it over the bar to do the final dip. It's okay.
The technique I've taught you today is what's known as a kipping muscle up in the calisthenics world. The more you practice and the stronger you become, you can try and use less knee drive or kipping and try to keep your legs still. This will depend entirely on how strong your back muscles are, as no kipping requires you to have more back strength. This is a really long journey, so you may as well just enjoy it and keep training.
If you want to save your progress, I recommend you implementing the muscle up sessions 2 times per week into your training plan. This is going to ensure that you build the correct strength and that you give your body enough rest. Guys, please do not be disheartened if you have slow progress. It's going to take a long time to learn this move. Me personally, it took more than 1 year of consistent training to be able to do it. So it doesn't happen overnight. If you've enjoyed the videos for today, please like, please subscribe. I've got many more videos planned in the future. If you like the theme of the video, leave me a comment, let me know your thoughts. And please, one more time, don't be disheartened. If you keep practicing week in, week out, you'll eventually see that mission pass screen light up. So I wish you all the best to level up both in your fitness and in the gaming world. This has been Lewis from the Bodyweight Bible signing off. Go and get that muscle up. Let's go.